Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that market is not behaving like a typical Monday market. Usually on Monday, we don't get to see much volatility during the first half. Market prefers to stay silent and sleepy, but we can see that right after the market opening, market is showing good amount of volatility. On Saturday, we discussed about few scenarios and detailing opportunities accordingly. The first scenario was we need to stay in touch with the news because of geopolitics. If any news comes out, then obviously market will be reacting and we need to follow the trend of the market. And thankfully there was no news regarding any tension or crisis between Israel and Iran, and we can see that market is open uh, without the influence of news, but still the market is volatile. Usually we don't get to see much volatility, and we can see that market is showing good amount of correction. So my dear friends, if you're looking for a detailed analysis, you can also watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because we won't be repeating the same stuff to bore you again. Okay, so on Saturday we also looked at the daily chart of gold and discussed about the importance and the need of the retracement. And after some price ejection, we can see the market has formed a red candle and hope to see some good retracement or correction very soon, because we can see that right now market is standing at the top, and yes, for any market of the world, retracement is needed. Without any retracement, market cannot go up like this. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So but if you already have a buy, okay, yes, you need to be careful, because if market shows deep retracement or correction, try to exit. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about swing traders and positional traders. So if you have been holding buy on gold, then yes, you can be on the trade as long as gold is trading above 2350. Right now gold is trading around 2367. So again, I'm repeating, if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then hopefully you made good money, because gold was extremely bullish. You can be on the trade as long as gold is trading above 2350. But if gold breaks 2350, there's a high chance of good retracement. And if you do not have any ongoing position, and if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, I'll say that you need to wait a little, because right now you can clearly see, my dear friends, if I remove it, you can see right now market is showing price rejection from below around the 200 moving average. At this moment when I'm recording this video in the Asian session, it is very difficult to tell right now whether the market will be taking support around this area or not. If you already have executed a buy position around 2370, okay, listen to me carefully. If you already have taken a buy around 2370, looking at the dynamic support as well as previous support around this area, you have done a good job. Okay, you have done a good job. Okay, if this trade fails also, okay, if this trade fails also, this type of discipline will make you money in the long run. After all, you cannot expect 100% accuracy from any strategy or any trading style of the world, but if you follow a discipline, a particular trading style, in the long run, obviously you will be rewarded. So anyways, if you have taken a buy, if you have a buy around 2370 or 2369, around this area, looking at the 200 moving average, you can be on the trade, but exit. Okay, exit around 2360. Okay, around 2360, try to exit, because already market has made a low of 2361. If market breaks the low here, there may be a further downside. Okay, and technically we also have the next support around 2358 to 2354. You can see I have drawn a red box here. Around the red box, we have the FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Along with that, you can see good price ejection around this area. So if market continues the downside, if not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a good bounce around this area. So let's wait and watch. So I will say that if you do not have any position, you can be on that. Also, if you do not have any position, okay, wait for some time and just observe the market, because already market is standing at a level, and though the selling pressure was high, quite high, but still market is trying to take support. Means buyers around this area are trying to provide support to the market. Means people are buying. Okay, so we may get to see some upside. Be on the buy trade. Okay, and if you're a position trader, swing trader, be on the buy as long as market is trading above 2350. And during the European session, Asian session, we also have a support around 2354 to 58. Already we have seen why. And if something very bad happens, okay, if something very bad happens, then as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, we have the next support around 2323. Okay, so we have the next support around 2323. If the selling pressure is very high, market may break also 2323. Listen to me carefully. If the selling pressure is very high, then market may break also 2323. Not 2323, 2323. But market should bounce from 2315. Means you may see a condition like this where market will be forming a hammer kind of a pattern and market will be bouncing ultimately. So do not take a sell immediately around 2323 or 2322. Okay, I think I should say 2322. It will be easier for me to pronounce. So let's wait and watch, and let's see how does the market react around this area. And if the selling again I'm repeating, if the selling pressure is very high, you can look for a buy around this area. And if you already have taken a sell, okay, if you already have taken a sell around this area, then okay, you can also be on the sell as well. But if you see a green candle here, try to exit, because things are not very clear right now. As we have already discussed on the Saturday video, that overall the trend of the market, gold may be very towards the upside, gold may be very much bullish. But if you look at the present trend of the market here, okay, we can clearly see that we do not have a particular or clear direction. Okay, so day traders, you may be trapped in certain positions, so be careful and follow proper risk management, because in this type of market situation where we do not have a clear direction, okay, it is very easy to get trapped. Okay, so do not be victim of the sideways or choppy nature of the market, my dear friends. Be careful and use proper stop loss. Okay, your trade may go against your prediction, your trade may go against your analysis. Okay, it happens to everyone. Okay, and on Saturday, we also discussed another trading opportunity. If market goes up, we can look for a buy above 2418. But right now, market is far away. Okay, so the buy at breakout above 2418 is still very much valid. But we also need to keep in mind that we have an immediate resistance around 2432. So if you go for a buy at 2418, then exit around 2430. And if market shows reversal from 2431 2432 area, we can look for a sell. So let's wait and watch, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow. And if you're looking for Hindi content, then you can join the channel, Hindi channel. The link is in the description. आपको description में link मिल जाएगा. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.